Welcome to Emerging Tech Guild, your gateway to emerging tech excellence. And welcome to Python series. In this video, you will learn about some of predefined methods in Python with examples so that you will get a better understanding of the usage of these methods. Let's start. Please join, subscribe, and like this channel. Enhance your skills through a less than 10 minutes videos via this channel on daily basis on advanced topics. Provide the topics you would like us to cover in the comments section. Let's see substring extraction. Extracting a substring from a string. Below is the example. 7 is the start index which includes, and 12 is the last index which excludes. And note that index starts with 0. Indexing. Accessing individual characters in a string. See below example, just provide the index to retrieve corresponding character. Negative indexing. Python uses negative indexing to represents the characters in reverse order, that is from the end. See the below example. And another reference provided to understand in a better way. I hope it's clear. Let's move to next one. Append method in Python. The append method is used to add an element to the end of a list, and the remove method is used to remove a specific element from a list. Here are examples for both methods. The append method adds an element to the end of a list. Remove method in Python. The remove method removes the first occurrence of a specified element from a list. Extend method in Python. If you want to concatenate two lists, you can use the extend method or the plus operator. Pop method in Python. If you want to remove an element by its index, you can use the pop method. These methods are handy for modifying lists in Python. The append method is useful for adding elements to the end of a list, while the remove method is helpful for removing specific elements. Always be cautious when using the remove method, especially if the element might not be present in the list, to avoid a value error. Please join, subscribe, and like this channel. Enhance your skills through a less than 10 minutes videos via this channel on daily basis on advanced topics. Provide the topics you would like us to cover in the comments section.